Okay, next one, Isabella. The caretaker.
The caretaker Uncle Peter's alertness.
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 Good.
Make burglar did not get a chance.
Now, some grammar problem, but it's a minor problem. Let me teach you to write an error-free, free of grammar, no grammar mistake, an error-free sentence. All right. So this should make you realize that even though you know all the vocabulary, the related vocabulary items, it does not necessarily mean you can write a sentence without any grammar errors, right? So that's why you come to my class. Understand? You are a good student. You have a very positive learning mindset. And of course, you know, in your case, it will be a very steep learning curve. But don't worry, because I'll give all the support you need. All right. Look at this. The caretaker. It's not easy to write this out correctly. The caretaker's apostrophe S, alertness. And then from this part on, you make some mistakes. No problem. Again, I emphasize, it's normal to make mistakes. All right. But it is important to learn from your mistake. It's important to have a teacher, a coach by your side to point out the mistake to you. So you realize, oh, how come I make this mistake? Okay, I'll remember that, and next time I can do better. We all learn from our mistakes. Remember this. Mistakes are constructive. They are not destructive. The caretaker's alertness. Okay, we use the word make. Make it impossible for the thief, for the burglar to, okay, so why, tell me, Isabella, what did he want? He wanted money, right? He came, the purpose why he came is to steal, right? To steal things, to steal money. So just put it this way, make it impossible for him to do this. Okay, Isabella, read out the sentence again.
The caretaker's
Alertness. Say it slowly again. Alertness. Very good.
Make it impossible for the burglar to steal.
You like this sentence?
Yes.
Good. It's yours. It's now yours.屬於你㗎啦呢句。Make it impossible.記咗佢啦嚇。Good girl.